ABC, come sing with me. Let's find real things from A to Z. Look around, what do you see? Let's learn letters happily. A is for apple, red and round. B is for ball that bounces on the ground. C is for cup, to sip your tea. D is for door, come open with me. E is for egg in the frying pan. F is for fan with a spinning fan. G is for glasses I wear to see. H is for hat that fits on me. ABC, come sing with me. Real life things from A to Z. We see them here, we see them there. Learning letters everywhere. I is for ice, cold and cool. J is for juice, fresh from school. K is for key, to open the gate. L is for lamp, that lights up late. M is for mirror, I see my face. N is for notebook, I keep in place. O is for orange, juicy and sweet. P is for pencil, nice and neat. ABC, come sing with me. Real world fun from A to Z. What can you find? What do you see? Let's learn more so easily. Q is for quilt, cozy and warm. R is for raincoat in the storm. S is for spoon to eat my snack. T is for table, big and black. U is for umbrella when skies are gray. V is for vase with flowers today. W is for watch to tell the time. X is for x-ray, that's hard to rhyme. Y is for yarn, soft and long. Z is for zip, zipping along. Now we know our ABC. With real objects, look and see. Sing this song again and again.